Hello guys, in this video we'll tell you how to fix a microphone is not working in Zoom on Windows 10 or 11. Before we start the video guys, if you have any computer or software related problems, please feel free to contact us by visiting our website and using the submit a problem button, and comment down below on our videos about your problem and we'll make a video for you to resolve it. Number 1. Check your microphone hardware like plugging and unplugging your microphone or test it on another device. Number 2. Update your audio drivers like right click on start button and select device manager from there. In the device manager window, expand the audio inputs and outputs section. After that, right click on microphone and select update driver from there. After that, choose search automatically for updated driver software and window will automatically search and install any available updates. And once the update is complete, just simply restart your computer. Number 3. Check your microphone privacy settings. For this, go to settings by pressing Window plus I key. From there, select privacy from the menu. After that, in the left sidebar, click on microphone. Ensure that the allow apps to access your microphone toggle is turned on. Or scroll down to the choose which app can access your microphone section and make sure the Zoom is listed and allowed. After that, just simply restart your computer and test your microphone in Zoom is working or not. Number 4. Turn off the enhance audio settings like select system from the left panel in the settings by pressing the Window plus I key. From there, select sound option. Next, select your internal microphone. Last but not the least, to turn off enhance audio, toggle the switch back under input options. Number 5. Adjust your Zoom settings. For this, open Zoom, click on your profile picture on the top right corner and select settings from there. In the left sidebar, click on audio option. Then under the microphone section, make sure your microphone is selected from the drop down menu. After that, test your microphone by speaking into it. And the green bars in the text mic section should move as you talk. Then ensure that the automatically adjust microphone volume option is turned on if needed. After that, just simply save your settings and restart Zoom. Number 6. Run the Windows troubleshoot. For this, press the Window plus I key to open settings. From there, click on system. After that, scroll down and select troubleshoot from the left sidebar. Then under other troubleshoots, click on run under the audio option. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the troubleshooting process. Note that after troubleshoot finish, restart your computer and check if the microphone works in Zoom or not. Number 7. Update your Zoom app. For this, open Zoom, click on your profile picture on the top right corner, select check for updates option from there, and just simply follow the on-screen instructions to install the latest version. Number 8. Reinstall Zoom. For this, open the control panel and select programs and feature to uninstall the program. Next, choose the program, then perform a right click. After that, just simply select the uninstall option from there. Number 9. Restart your Zoom app. For this, access the task manager by pressing shift plus control plus escape. After that, in the task manager window, navigate to the processes tab. From there, select Zoom meetings, right click on it and choose the desired option. Number 10. Check for any window updates. For this, press Window plus I key to open the window settings. Then, click on Update and Security. In the Update and Security window, click on Windows Update in the left side menu. Then, click on Check for Updates and let Windows search for any update and will automatically install them. After the updates are installed, restart the computer and check if the function is working or not. Number 11. Restart Windows Audio Services. For this, type services.msc and press enter to open the service window. Then scroll down and find the Windows Audio Service. Right click on it and select Restart. Note, if the service is not running, click Start first and then Restart. Number 12. Disable third-party apps. For this, right click on Start button, select Installed App from the menu. Then locate your third-party security software in the list. Then click on it and just simply select uninstall. So this was it for the video guys. We hope this video helped you solve your problem. If it did, then make sure that you give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. And if it did not, then don't worry. Just comment down below the issue and we'll try to figure out what is wrong with your specific case. Thank you for watching.